The following message is transmitted at the request of the Suffolk County Office of Emergency Management. At approximately 9:23 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a large and violent explosion has occurred at the Brookhaven National Laboratory. It is unknown what the cause of the explosion is at this time, but it is assumed to be a catastrophic failure of the relativistic heavy ion collider located within the facility. All those inside of the structure were instantly killed upon detonation. Investigation is occurring to determine the true cause of the event. Damage has been reported within a 1-mile radius of the laboratory, and it is unknown if further casualties were caused. A large fire has started as a result of this detonation. Those residing near the facility are urged to vacate the area immediately until it is deemed safe to return. For your own safety, do not attempt to extinguish the blaze. Updates will be made available as soon as more information is made public. Please stay tuned for further developments.
What? How am I alive? What the hell happened here? Wait. What is that over there? This doesn't look familiar at all. Wait. What's it doing to the ground? It's getting closer! Ah! Dear God! It's on me! Get it off me! Get it off me! Help me! Help me, please! Someone help me, please! Ah!
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Suffolk County Office of Emergency Management. A mysterious and dangerous event is currently taking place within the city of Upton. Several reports have started coming in about all known structures and organisms being converted into an unknown material. This material is not a natural element and is considered extremely dangerous. Replication of this material is occurring at an extreme rate, and a 100% fatality rate is certain upon this material attaching to an individual. Attempts to obtain a sample of this material have failed, as any form of containment is converted into the same material. According to eyewitness reports, the conversion process is said to cause excruciating pain and is unable to be halted once conversion begins. The material is described as having a dark violet hue, visible stripe patterns, and scratch-like marks. If this material is spotted, avoid it at all costs. Do not attempt to destroy the material. Stay tuned to all media outlets on this ongoing situation. Evacuate now. Evacuate now. The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York State Division of Homeland Security and Emergency Services and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is a mandatory evacuation order. The material that has been seen causing conversions into the same material has spread throughout the state of New York. No shelters will provide protection from this material, now revealed to be a strange mass caused by the relativistic heavy ion collider of the now converted Brookhaven National Laboratory. If you seek shelter, you will face certain death. The United States Armed Forces is currently transporting civilians to different locations to prevent numerous casualties. Please follow all directions given to you once officials arrive at your location. If applicable, attempt to take others with you. Please take food, water, clothing, medical supplies, pets, and all portable devices, along with methods to recharge said devices. Please remain tuned and for more information on this dangerous situation.
Civil danger for the city of Fort Worth and surrounding areas. The following message is transmitted at the request of Tarrant County Risk Management. Residents of the city of Fort Worth, evacuate the area now. At 4:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a helicopter crash has released an unknown material that is converting all other materials it comes into contact with. It is presumed to be the strange lead mass that is wreaking havoc upon the state of New York. This mass converts all organisms, structures, and other elements into another strange lead mass. Should this mass be within your vicinity, vacate the area immediately to prevent loss of life. Do not attempt to destroy the mass, as any methods have proven ineffective in stopping further conversions. Please remain tuned in to follow all updates that pertains to this dangerous situation.
Event type is civil emergency. 4. The City of Toronto, in the Province of Ontario. This message is transmitted at the request of the Ontario Provincial Police. An unknown material has been spotted within the City of Toronto. This material has been causing many conversions to any material it comes in contact with, including all living organisms. This was later revealed to be the strange lead mass that has begun to cause mass conversions in the states of Texas and New York, situated within the United States. Physical contact with the mass is lethal. Do not attempt to obtain a sample of the mass, as you will be converted into another strange lead mass. If a strange lead mass is near your location, please use any method to avoid conversion. Attempting to seek shelter will result in death. Please head as far north as possible. More information will be transmitted as it becomes available.
Le type d'événement est urgence civile. Pour la ville de Toronto, dans la province de l'Ontario. Ce message est transmis à la demande de la police provinciale de l'Ontario. Un matériau inconnu a été repéré dans la ville de Toronto. Ce matériel a été à l'origine de nombreuses conversions à tout matériel qu'il vient en contact avec, y compris tous les organismes vivants. Ce fut plus tard révélé être la masse trangelée qui a commencé à causer des conversions massives dans les États du Texas et New York situés aux États-Unis. Le contact physique avec la masse est mortel. Ne tentez pas d'obtenir un échantillon de la masse, car vous serez converti en une autre masse de strangelet. Si une masse de strangelet est près de votre emplacement, s'il vous plaît utilisez n'importe quelle méthode pour éviter la conversion. Tenter de chercher refuge entraînera la mort. S'il vous plaît dirigez-vous aussi loin au nord que possible. Plus d'informations seront transmises à mesure qu'elles deviendront disponibles.
Emergencia. 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 Nos disculpamos por la interrupción. Esta transmisión contiene información relativa a una situación peligrosa. Un objeto morado ha sido visto dentro de Monterrey y está convirtiendo todos los demás materiales en este objeto. Los que han entrado en contacto con este objeto también se han convertido en más de este objeto. No intente detener este objeto, ya que posiblemente se convierta. Si usted es capaz de evacuar con seguridad, por favor hágalo de una manera eficiente. No se le permitirá romper ninguna ley, a pesar de esta emergencia, ya que será arrestado sin pregunta. Los Estados Unidos también están siendo afectados por este objeto en diferentes áreas. La totalidad de México está en riesgo extremo de convertirse en este objeto. El objeto no puede destruirse por completo. Evacuar el país antes de que este objeto convierta a todo México. Por favor, cuide de sí mismo y de los demás durante este tiempo de intento.
This is an emergency broadcast from the Ministry of Civil Defense and Emergency Management. A dangerous event is currently occurring within the city of Gisborne in the Gisborne region. Conversion of all natural materials is occurring due to an unknown man-made material. This material is presumed to be caused from the same phenomenon occurring in the North American countries of Mexico, Canada, and the United States. Due to the dangerous properties of this material, the strange lead mass, you are advised to leave the area immediately to prevent conversion. Do not remain in the area of Gisborne. Immediate measures to prevent further conversion are currently being implemented before the mass becomes too large to destroy. Similar measures are currently occurring in Canada, Mexico, and the United States. The description of this mass is the following: violet hue, scratch-like marks, and line patterns. Avoid this mass until there is a clear method to eliminate it. Information will be broadcast as it becomes available.
これは国家の緊急事態だ。ご起立願います。エアストライク警告。エアストライク警告。日本本土内のすべてのものは、未知のソースからの攻撃が発生しているとして、すぐに避難を求めることをお勧めします。この攻撃は、世界中の様々な部分からの、ストレンジレッドの塊が、現在、日本中の様々な都市で発見されているために発生していると推測されます。すぐに地下シェルターを探してください。 あなたの家に避難所を持っていない場合は、可能な限り小さな窓とインテリアルームに避難を求めます。これらの空爆が、ストレンジレッドの大衆を排除するかどうかは不明だが、成功する可能性は低い。発生する影響を待ってください。このメッセージは、空爆が完了するまで繰り返し続きます。
We interrupt our programming. This is a global emergency. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. Text-to-speech will be provided for the following message due to all persons in the presidential line of succession being deceased. The original message reads as follows: all efforts of neutralizing the strange elves have all failed. Due to the mass becoming too large to destroy, the strange eld mass is expected to convert the Earth into one mass expected to be the size of a 3-mile wide asteroid. We have failed not just humanity, but the world. We are sorry. Please, spend time with those you care about and be sure to ask for forgiveness in the final moments of the planet. May God help us all. This concludes the final broadcast of the emergency alert system. Please follow that final set of instructions that was recently given. This transmission will now cease.